to Ram's tutorial. Kapag bago ka pa sa ating channel, please do subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated in our latest video tutorial. So ngayon, ang i-discuss ko ay order of operations for the grade 5 worksheet or 5th grade level. So we have first here our PEMDAS. So the acronym for PEMDAS, we have here P stands for parentheses, E is exponent, M multiplication, D division, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now, let's first solve for our problem. It's all about, we have here 14 plus 3 squared times 3 squared plus 26. Ito yung problema natin, guys, kung paano natin isosolve. So remember, in rows and PEMDAS po, let's start with parentheses po. I-check natin kung may parentheses po. So since there's no parentheses, so next, let's check first exponent. So meron pong exponent tayo, which is the presence of 3 squared here. Ito po yung 3 squared dito at another 3 squared. Now, this will be our first problem. Yan. Lalagyan ko yan ng hand para makikita nyo po. So, i-unlock na natin yan. We need to multiply first. 3 squared. Ibig sabihin yan, 3 times 3. Okay? 3 times 3. So, ilalagay ni teacher dito 9. Next, 3 squared again. So, the base and the exponent, 3 times 3, the answer is 9. Yan na po. We bring down the symbol multiplication. Then bring down again here, 14, and then the positive sign, then another positive sign, then bring down 26. Okay? So we are first partial. Okay, solving. Now next, let us first here multiply this one, 9 times 9. So we're going to put here 81. Then the 14 plus, then plus 26. Okay? So first, unahin natin to, guys, 14 plus 81. Okay? So we need her first, 4 plus 1. So we're going to put it 5. Lagyan ko pala naman ganun para mas maganda. Yan. So 4 plus 1, guys, ito po yun. 5. So 1 plus 4. 1 plus 8 rather is 9. So, yun 95. Next, ito po ang ilagay natin dito. Plus 26. Okay? And then, we are going to get the final answer. We are going to continue 95 to get the final answer. So, this one is 95 plus 26. So, write ko na lang dito, guys. 95. Okay, 95 plus 26 po. So, we're going to get the final answer. 5 plus 6, 11. We group 1. So, we're going to drop here 1. 9 plus 2 is 11. Plus 1 is 12. Okay, so therefore, our final answer here is 121, just like I solve here. 95 plus 26, so same result. This is 121 is our final answer that we're going to write here. 121 for our equations. 14 plus 3 squared times 3 squared plus 26. So we're using PEMDAS again. So we have the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Once again, thank you for listening or watching Ram's Tutorial Educational Channel. Don't forget to subscribe.